Hi, this is Ben Llewellyn, and today I'm giving you a quick, easy Welsh lesson about the planets. So let's jump into it. Stick around to the end, I'll give you a bonus word which has a distant etymology apart from Welsh, which came into Welsh. Etymology, the root of a word, where it comes from. Some of you like learning Welsh, and I wanted to make sure that part of my channel is certainly keeping up with that. And this is one that doesn't take me a lot of energy. The planets in Welsh. First of all, what is a planet in Welsh? Planed. And that ed at the end has a clue. A vast majority, most words ending in ed are feminine in Welsh. So how does this make any difference? Well, if you have the word which is the, it causes it to change. A blaned. The planet. So what are the planets? Now that you know what a planet is. We'll start out closest to the sun. Rhael, the sun. Solar system, there are two ways to say it really in Welsh. I prefer the shorter, more efficient, older way, of course. Cysawd, Rhael. And cysawd is an interesting word. It means together setting. So, together set of the sun. Or you could say cyfundrefn Rhael, which is like the organization of the sun. But the first planet is Mercury. Mercury is Mercury. This is one of the days of the week. In Welsh, dydd Mercury. Wednesday. You'll see as we go through these, Welsh is very Roman. We didn't take the earlier days for things of the week like Irish did, and we didn't take the Germanic mythology like English did. We're very Roman, and that's part of our inheritance. What about the next one? Gwener, Venus, and Friday is dydd Gwener, the day of Venus. And that gwa is very peculiar to Welsh. In fact, I can't think of many words in English that have it that don't come from ultimately a Brythonic or British source. Can you? So when Welsh or Brythonic or British was taking words in to its language from Latin, a lot of the words that were the initial or beginning, they attached gwa to the beginning of. Many words that begin as gwa are from Latin and Welsh, and Gwener is one of them. And what's the third planet in the solar system? You're standing on it. They are. But we differentiate usually in Welsh. We add the article in front of it to denote that it is the Earth, usually. A they are. It's feminine. I like that the Earth is feminine. It's very beautiful. What about Mars? Mawrth. Tuesday is dydd Mawrth, the day of Mars. Going forward, Iau. Jupiter. And there's a few things you need to know about this word, because you you might get it confused with other words. So dyddiau is Thursday. But there are other meanings for iau when it stands alone as well. So, the younger brother, a brawd iau. A riau, the junior, the younger iau. But if you're yoking like oxen in a field, that yoke that they wear, or the action of it even, iau as well. So to yoke, younger, Jupiter, and the day of Jupiter, Thursday. You get a lot for free there. What comes after Jupiter? What comes after Jupiter? Saturn. Can you guess which day of the week this also is? Yes, indeed, Saturn is Saturday. Saturn, the day of Saturn. This is very Roman, isn't it? But they're not all that way. The next one, Uranus. Not much imagination went into that, but the next one I think makes up for it in how different it is from English. Navion. It's a bit softer than Neptune, isn't it? And we think this does come from some kind of older Welsh word for some type of sea or myth deity, but it became replaced by Neptune over time. Navion. The word for gases, nuion, is distantly related to Navion, and it's a very gaseous planet. What's the next one? Platon. We add an N to the end. Platon. And there you have the planets in Welsh. And the bonus I said I would give you, Gaelic. This comes ultimately from ancient Greek, Galaxius. You can sense how that S became TH, given Welsh sound changes, Gaelic. People might think, oh, that might come from English, but no, this came directly from Latin, actually, by way of Greek. If you would like to help this channel become a full-time enterprise, please donate via Patreon. And thank you to each of my 5 monthly supporters. You inspire me to keep going and have belief in myself that this can become a full-time job. Doing what I love and bringing you content every week. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you enjoyed that, let me know what kind of lists of words or categories would you like to learn in Welsh? Because with my degree in Welsh, these are quite easy for me to do, and they're very enjoyable. Something I could make more of, especially during these winter months when it's cold outside and I don't want to go prancing around in a muddy field. Hey, diolch yn fawr mwyaf. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next time.